When we think about futuristic technology that blends seamlessly into our everyday lives, smart glasses often stand at the top of the list. For years, companies have tried to reimagine what glasses can be, turning them from simple vision aids into intelligent, wearable devices that connect us with digital worlds while keeping us grounded in reality. While Google, Meta, and other tech giants have all attempted to create glasses that merge the physical and digital seamlessly, Xiaomi has stepped into this space with something far more ambitious. Their latest innovation, Xiaomi smart glasses, is being hailed as a device that might finally bring mainstream attention back to smart eyewear. This combination positions Xiaomi's smart glasses as more than just a gadget. They are shaping up to be a lifestyle-changing technology. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates.
Why?
Because Xiaomi has managed to bring together three of the most in-demand features into one elegant frame: an advanced camera, a high-quality micro-display, and powerful AI integration from the outside. The idea of smart glasses might sound like just another futuristic concept, but Xiaomi has taken a bold leap toward making them practical, stylish, and functional for everyday use. Think about it, a wearable that looks like ordinary eyewear yet allows you to snap photos, record videos, project information directly onto the lens, and even leverage artificial intelligence for real-time translation, object recognition, and personal assistance. Xiaomi isn't simply offering another pair of tech glasses. They are presenting what could be the perfect balance between fashion and function in wearable technology. This script takes a deep dive into everything we know about Xiaomi's smart glasses: their design, camera capabilities, display technology, AI features, user experience, and how they compare with competitors. We'll also explore the bigger picture: what these glasses mean for the future of personal technology and whether Xiaomi has finally cracked the code to make smart glasses mainstream. The design of Xiaomi's smart glasses is perhaps the first thing worth appreciating. One of the biggest hurdles with wearable tech is ensuring it doesn't look too much like a gadget. People want something sleek, lightweight, and socially acceptable to wear in public. Google Glass, for instance, failed partly because of its odd and intrusive design, making wearers stand out in uncomfortable ways. Xiaomi seems to have learned from those mistakes. The frames of their smart glasses resemble conventional glasses, crafted with lightweight materials so that they don't feel bulky or heavy. The balance between housing technology and maintaining style has been achieved with impressive finesse. Whether you're in a business meeting, walking down the street, or sitting at a cafe, these glasses don't scream tech toy. They whisper subtle sophistication with hidden power. Inside this refined frame lies a surprisingly powerful camera system. Cameras on smart glasses are not new, but Xiaomi has significantly improved the experience by integrating a high-resolution sensor that can capture sharp photos and smooth video. Imagine being able to document life's moments without fumbling for your phone. With just a tap or voice command, you can snap a picture from your exact point of view, something even the best smartphones can't replicate. Content creators will particularly love this feature, as it allows for hands-free vlogging, real-time social media updates, and creative storytelling in ways that feel natural. The discreet placement of the camera also ensures that the experience is intuitive without being intrusive. Xiaomi has also added software optimizations powered by AI, which means your photos and videos are enhanced automatically. Improved exposure, stable recording, and even intelligent framing. For travelers, journalists, and creators, this could be